My own belly dance journey has started about 14 years ago, and then I first time came to belly dance class, I would have never imagined where it will lead me late in the future. But here I am today, full-time dancer based in Toronto, Canada, specializing in belly dance as well as Persian, Turkish, Iraqi and some other Middle Eastern and Central Asian dance forms. I hold a bachelor degree in dance as well as I have a couple of local and international dance awards, including Star Belly Dancer of Canada 2014 and Cairo by Cyprus International Belly Dance Festival 2015. Plus, I did quite a few researches and published some articles on belly dance, its historical evolution and connection with other dance forms, and do a couple of other dance-related projects, including blogging, belly dance live podcast, some YouTube videos, and this dance video series, including this one.